What about cannabis for migraines? Besides the well-known symptom of moderate to severe pulsating pain, migraines can also include symptoms of nausea, vomiting, photophobia, which is a sensitivity to light, and phonophobia, a sensitivity to sound. Attacks can last anywhere from 4 hours to 72 hours. With difficult cases, this can interfere with your vision, motor control, and speech. According to the trigeminal-vascular theory, stimulation of the trigeminal nerve that runs throughout your head releases certain neuropeptides, most notably CGRP and PACAP. These lead to inflammation of the brain, dilation of the blood vessels, and the onset of the headache. According to this review of 27 different studies about cannabis for migraines, it's theorized that the activation of our own endocannabinoid system lowers migraine symptoms through several pathways, including the lowering inflammation, our endogenous opioid pathway or endorphin pathway, our neurotransmitter serotonin, and our neurotransmitter glutamate, which is the most widespread excitatory neurotransmitter in the brain. In fact, in people who have low levels of certain endocannabinoids, they have more migraine activity. The researchers also point to a literature review where migraine patients who started using medical cannabis began using less opioids. Another literature review found that cannabis combined well with the other common medications for pain reduction, with one study finding cannabinoids caused an increase in effectiveness of 51%. Some people took their cannabis in via flowers and inhalation to reduce the pain in a rapid manner. Some people used oils to have a more chronic all-day relief. Another study found medical cannabis significantly reduced the nausea and vomiting associated with migraine attacks. And as was often found, the adverse effects in migraine patients using medical cannabis were found to be mild and tolerable. To see a lot more of the clinical data, as well as our deep dive video on the subject, check out the Migraines and Headaches page of CVResearch.info.